Namaskar, sir. Welcome to Hostel Hotel. My name is Salman Khan. How much is it?
Namaskar, I am Reservation.
It is under the name of sir.
It's under my name, Vikas Singh.
Let me check, sir. Yes, it is here. Very beautiful photo ID, please.
Yes. Where is? And what all information are there in my room?
Sir, package include Wi-Fi, gymnasium, swimming pool, and just air breakfast that will be served in the restaurant. Restaurant is on second floor. And the timing for the same is 7 to 10 a.m. If you will take the same breakfast in your room, that will be charged.
And can you please tell me what's my password?
Sir, it will go last name in capital letter.
6.
Here is your room number on 5th floor. My colleague Sajad is called your room, and if you will require anything, you can dial number 9. It is a reception number. Here you will sign.
What's this?
This is the registration card. And sir, can delete the sign. Key number. Your key number on 6th floor. 6th floor. And my colleague Sajad will escort your room. And if you require anything, you can dial number 9. It is a reception number. And we will here to assist you.
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy, take care, have a nice day.
Father, welcome to our hotel. How may I assist you with your luggage?
Yes, please.
Follow me, sir. View 1. Welcome to your room. Sir, I'll show you the amenities in your room. This is the king size bed available, and this is the complimentary water bottles and ECM. And this is the mini bar. This is straw. This is chargeable basis. And this is the washroom, the bathtub, the shower area. And then here's the balcony. There's outside the balcony is a beautiful mountain views. And thank you, sir. There's the
Okay, thanks.
Namaskar sir, welcome to hospital. May I help you? How may I help you?
I have a reservation. Sir, Bandu Chigara.
Let me check. Yes, sir, here it is. May I have a photo ID, please? So, what?
No thanks.
Could you please fill out this form?
What are included there are
Sir, your package includes swimming pool, free Wi-Fi, gymnasium, and breakfast. The breakfast is served in restaurant. It's on the second floor. Timing for the same is 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. And for further questions, you can dial 9 from your room. And we are there to help you 24/7.
What is by that password?
What's your password is your last name of yours, capital letters, like Sikara. It is your room key. It's in this room. It's a room number. It's in the third floor. My colleague Sally will escort to the room. Welcome to hospital. Sir, please be seated.
Namaskar, sir. Welcome to hospital. How may I assist you?
Namaskar. I have reservation.
It's under the name of the.
It's under the name of Sir mine.
Sir, please let me check.
Okay, you can.
Yes, it is here. May I request you your photo ID, please, sir?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Sir, please cross check.
What all inclusions are there in my room?
Sir, your package include Wi-Fi, gymnasium, swimming pool, and breakfast. That will be served in the restaurant on second floor. Breakfast timing 7 to 10 a.m.
Okay. What is the Wi-Fi password?
Sir, your Wi-Fi password like mine in capital letter.
Okay. That's perfect.
Sir, please one more request.
Which type of register is this?
Sir, government approved is arrival in departure.
Okay.
Sir, here is your room number on the floor. My colleague Mr. Aditya will be towards you, escort you the room.
Okay.
If you require anything, can you dial number 9?
Okay.
Its reception number will be here to help you.
Okay, thank you.
Have a enjoy your stay, sir. Have a nice.
Thank you again.